Persistent rains for the past few days have led to swelling of several major rivers of northeast, including Brahmaputra. Rivers like Desang in Sibsagar district and Putimari in Kamrup district have crossed their respective warning levels, said a flood bulletin issued by the Central Water Commission. Life remained paralyzed a day after extremely severe cyclonic storm FANI ripped through 8 districts of Odisha yesterday. Initial reports suggested 20 people had died due to collapse of walls, trees and electric poles. Lakhs of people have been affected and the state government has launched massive rescue and restoration operations. After clearing road blockades along national and state highways, personnel from Odisha Disaster Rapid Action Force and National Disaster Response Force have started moving to villages. Department of Civil Engineering Manipur Technical University has organized a study tour to NONEY district where 4 teachers, 3 non-teaching staff members and 30 students of the varsity visited the NONEY Bridge on River Izai, dubbed as world's tallest bridge, which is part of the new 111-kilometer-long Jiribam to Imphal Road Gauge rail line project. The team also witnessed the 1-kilometer-long rail tunnel at Nungtek village. Manipur's Chief Minister and BIREN Singh today facilitated and honored the combined team of NDRF, SDRF, Manipur Fire Service, Manipur Police, Red Cross Society and those people from Ramrai village who took part in the recent search operation conducted in MAPITHEL Dam of Kamjong district to recover 3 bodies. The function was held at Chief Minister's bungalow. On the occasion, CM BIREN appealed to all not to operate unauthorized boats at tourist spots across the state, including Loktak Lake. Notwithstanding that there are a lot of government-sponsored schemes meant for people in Manipur, it seems there are a number of underprivileged people in different parts of the state. One SAPAM SHYAM, aged 47 years, resident of Thawal Laisangthem Wangmataba Tayanjam Lekai, is one of the deprived families awaiting government's empathy. The centre has told the Supreme Court that monitoring of the Rafale deal by the Prime Minister's office could not be construed as parallel negotiations and rejected all demands of the criminal investigation into the matter. The government, by way of 2 affidavits, asked the court to junk review petitions right away, emphasizing that review of the fighter jets procurement process will impact national security environment in the country and in the neighboring countries being well known. North Korea fired an unidentified short-range missile from its eastern coast, the South Korean Joint Chiefs of Staff said, a likely sign of Pyongyang's growing frustration at stalled diplomatic talks with Washington over its nuclear arsenal. South Korean and US authorities are analyzing the details, but if it is confirmed as a firing of a banned ballistic missile, it will be the first such launch since the North Korea's November 2017 test of an intercontinental ballistic missile. A 35-year-old Pakistani-American national has been arrested by the FBI on his arrival from Pakistan for being in touch with the 2 UN-proscribed terror groups, the Islamic State and the Jaish-e-Mohammed. Walker Al-Hassan, a naturalized US citizen who moved to America at the age of 15, was arrested at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport in North Carolina yesterday.